Hi there, in this video I will unbox two PlayStations that I've bought on eBay for around 23 US dollars, where almost $14 was the shipping cost. As you can see, the first PlayStation is in really good condition. The case is almost not scratched at all. It's STPH7502, which is by many people called the best revision. The second one is also 7502, but it's a bit scratched on top. It might be because they wasn't packed really well. The consoles were touching each other in the package, so it could be done a little bit better. I've also brought some of my stuff to test if they are working. Okay, now let's connect them and see if they are hopefully working. The first one powers on, but it's making a terrible sound. I've plugged the controller to see if the menu works, and yes it does, so maybe I will be able to fix this optical drive. But first let's check the second console. It powers on and controls are working, but this motor isn't spinning and neither the laser motor is, so something is broken here. It's time to disassemble both consoles and see if it's gonna be an easy fix. At first glance everything looks fine, but when I click the micro switch the motor doesn't move at all. Let's take a look at the second console. As you can see, when I press micro switch it starts to make this weird sound, but the laser isn't moving even a little bit. Maybe looking at the drive assembly will tell us what's wrong. To open it you need to undo two screws near the drive motor and lift up clips around the drive case. As you can see, the small black gear isn't moving. It turns out that the white gear popped out and wasn't making contact with black gear. So I just press it back and now we will see if it works or not. I have here some random game to test the laser. Let's put it inside and check if it works. And yes it does. As you can see, just like that I fixed my PlayStation. Now it still makes really bad sounds, so to fix it I sprayed some WD-40 and also I cleaned laser lens with a Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol. The last thing to do is to assemble console back and clean the case. It was a really easy fix, but the only problem is that I wanted to LED mode this PlayStation, and I've used 2 power consuming LED, so it destroyed one of the chips. In the second part I will analyze what happened and how to fix it. But for now, thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video.